Okay. Good evening, people. Today I have an interesting video tutorial for you. Uh, just give me a few seconds. Actually, there's option related to Blender. When you rotate around the cursor selection, you can do the same in Cinema 4D. When you lock to 3D cursor, for example, I want to rotate corner of the mouth around this selection. You can see how easy it is. Without this, navigation would not be as good as it is now. But you have to activate in view option. When you go to view option, they have lock to 3D object, lock to 3D cursor. You can do the same in Cinema 4D. In preferences, first option, navigation. But for some reasons, I don't see cursor when I select this object, which is okay, object. You see green indicator when you press insert on your keyboard a couple times. Once it will come up, you can see our rotation is locked to get a green icon, to get a green cursor. Cinema 4D has the same option. Trackable rotation. Cursor placement. You can check selected. Again and again. You just have to move this eye. When you press insert 2 times, cursor will come up here, this green icon. So you can see I locked a rotation around that cursor. Let's check if we can check view, window customization, customize palettes, command manager. We can choose keyboard insert what we got here. Lock set camera pivot. Set the camera pivot to the cursor. I wonder where that command is located in menu, because I couldn't see this in menu. So you can see Cinema 4D has the same option. You can see how easy it is. So you don't have to worry about it. Even if you switch to polygon selection, your viewport doesn't disappear. If we press insert once again, you can see it's not, or now its cursor is visible around our selection. It all depends what settings you apply, but it's not permanent, it disappears. Oh, actually this relates, for example, insert. Now it can only apply, now you have permanent cursor placement, even if you don't select particular polygon. Even if you deselect polygon, your viewport is locked to that cursor, so you can rotate around that cursor to selected. I hope you like my video tutorial, people. So you can work the same way like you work in Blender application.